So I've gone out and got a seed starting kit on Amazon. Just an inexpensive one. So I already planted the ghost seeds in this first one and the jalapeno seeds in this last one. Didn't have the camera on evidently. And I got them labeled. But this one, it kind of interested me. It says hot pepper, hot salsa blend. Which it shows to have several peppers on this one. And I just wanted to see what you can look at the picture here. So we're going to put it right down here. And this is just how I did the others. I just forgot to hit record. Happens. And then we're just going to put 2 or 3 seeds in here. Or a few more than that. And cover them up. And we're going to label those the hot salsa blend. Little tags in here so we'll know what they are when they grow. And I'm going to be adding some herbs, a few tomatoes, and I've got more peppers on the way. And I'm going to add the light over it. There we go. I've always grown peppers. I'm going to grow several different kinds this year, and I've never started them directly from a seed, so I thought it would be cool to document this journey for anybody that's interested. Scorpion, Carolina Reaper, Pink Tiger, Jalapeno, Ghost, Habanero. What was the last one? Dragon's Breath. And then I've also got a hot salsa blend that I'm going to be adding to the mix. Right there is the heat mat that is plugged in that this sets over. I've got the lights here. And I've filled this thing up with about 1/3 of a cup, or not 1/3 of a cup, about 1/3 of the way of water. And when I do this, I'll be watering from the bottom through the whole process. And that water will soak up to the seeds. Hopefully we'll get some good growth going on here. So we're starting them indoors, and in a couple months, they'll go outdoors.